Good morning, church family. Dean Schumacher here. Well, today is an exciting day. Today is the day we pour the concrete foundation for the new education building. And I want to take you along on that process today. Crews arrived early this morning to start setting up. The machine you see behind me is called a laser screed. That's used to place the concrete and finish it nice and smooth so we get a great floor. The boom pump will pump the concrete to every corner of the slab. Here's the laser screed at work. It's a little after 12 o'clock and all the concrete is in place. Now the tedious process of finishing the concrete continues. Once the slab is finished, saw cuts are made off the corners of the columns to control cracking in the slab. It's a little after 4 o'clock and the slab is finished. Just want to say a big thank you to not only the guys that put in the long hours out here today, but everybody that's been involved with the project from the beginning. This is a huge milestone for this campus, and I'm very grateful. God bless you guys.